I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Another day, another Coti video. Alright guys, so we're back with the Coti videos. I want to kind of do this a little bit more here. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want more Coti videos? What kind of videos do you want me to cover, guys? I'm here for you. Alright, this channel was made for you guys. Thank you. I love you guys. I want to make the content that you want to see. So, shout out to the Coti team out there. They've hired a new COO, Chief Operating Officer. His name is Nir Arazi. Shout out to him as the Coti team continues to grow at a rapid pace. We want to introduce our team for you to get excited and know them better. We are excited to introduce our COO, Nir Arazi. Not going to go over the whole article here, guys, but just a little bit about him. Longtime enthusiast and believer in DeFi and blockchain technologies. He studied economics and accounting. He received his MBA. He actually was in the Israeli Air Force, which is pretty cool. Shout out to him. What attracted him to Coti? The vision, the currency of the internet, the opportunity to make a change, and the people. I was attracted to Coti's efforts to change centralized and decentralized finance. I knew that by joining Coti, I would not only bring along my experience and make an impact, but also learn from the top industry leaders to call my teammates. And a couple of interesting facts about him: he skateboards. So that's pretty cool, guys. Shout out to him. Hopefully he can bring business on and get some cool partnerships going. Welcome to the Coti team. Real quick, guys, let's pay some bills here. Shout out to OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM. Guys, you know the drill. We're going to delegate our Cardano coins to small stake pool operators. This is of the utmost importance for the decentralization of the Cardano ecosystem, guys. Shout out to OneCom, ticker symbol 1COMM. Follow them on Twitter as well, guys. They post news and notes daily. And they have 0% fees until at least the end of December 2022 for all existing and new delegators. Shout out to OneCom. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and let's move on. Alright guys, so if you're new to Coti, I think that this would be actually a good video for us to watch here. This is what is Coti explained for beginners. Binance Academy sometimes put out these, I can't believe I'm not following them. Binance Academy sometimes puts out these Academy videos so that they could teach people about crypto and teach people about the different types of cryptos. I'd highly recommend you actually follow them. I thought I was following them, but apparently not. So you can learn. Sometimes there's new cryptos that come out every day, and there's a short explainer video for you guys to break down the crypto. So let's take a look at what this video has to say. It's actually pretty informative.
What is Coti? Coti is a layer 1 fintech on the blockchain ecosystem specifically designed for payments. It facilitates fast and secure transactions with low fees. Coti aims to build the next generation of financial and digital products encompassing various aspects of the new digital economy. Coti adopts a new type of protocol and infrastructure to address the challenges of both centralized and decentralized finance. The Coti network is built on Trust Chain, a layer 1 blockchain protocol based on a directed acyclic graph data structure, DAG. The proof of trust consensus mechanism, a combination of Trust Chain and POW, is used to address scalability issues. The Trust Chain protocol can lower transaction costs and increase throughput to up to 100,000 transactions per second. Transaction costs are kept low by cutting out mining activities and eliminating intermediaries through the use of trust scores. Instead of using mining to secure the network, validators are assessed by their historical activity and given trust scores. Transactions from trusted users are confirmed first, and as transactions with different trust scores are processed in parallel, the network can achieve scalability and security. With a total supply of 2 billion, the Coti coin is the native token of the Coti network. Coti operates on 3 different networks: Trust Chain, Ethereum, and BNB Chain. Coti token holders can use the Coti bridge to operate across the different networks, mainnets. Apart from paying for services and fees within the ecosystem, the Coti coin can be deposited into the Coti Treasury. Fees from the whole Coti ecosystem will be streamlined to the Treasury and then be distributed as rewards to users. The Coti multi-DAG ecosystem consists of several independent DAGs with different purposes. They each maintain fully customized tokens and applications, but all run simultaneously on the same infrastructure to make the whole network more efficient. Developers, merchants, and enterprises can use the Coti multi-DAG to issue their own tokens on top of the Trust Chain protocol, enjoying its high processing speed and low costs. Enterprise clients can build their own payment solutions with the Coti multi-DAG technology. They can issue stablecoins and other digital currencies while having full technical support from the Coti team. Coti powers JED, the first algorithmic stablecoin built on Cardano. JED uses smart contracts to avoid price volatility and improve Cardano's transaction settlement process. The Coti multi-DAG allows anyone to customize their payment solutions with flat collateralized, crypto collateralized, or non-collateralized stablecoins. Visit Binance Academy to learn more about cryptocurrency and
Beautifully done video, guys. And again, we're going to be talking more about Coti. We're going to be talking more about JED as the weeks go on. Can't wait for the JED release. It's definitely going to be a good time. Alright guys, real quick, Coti and MinSwap DEX to explore integration of the JED stablecoin. So we kind of talked about this a little bit in the Cardano video. Let's go ahead and touch on it again. JED, if you don't know, is an algorithmic stablecoin design that uses smart contracts to ensure price stability and maintains a reserve base of coins. So kind of like RSR, if you guys have heard of RSR, reserve rights coin. Balancing its value by continuously minting and burning stable assets and reserve coins as required. JED have predictability in how much transactions cost rather than having volatile gas fees, which makes it very special with a view to a usage in the future. And this is important because JED will be paired with other coins in the DEX, in the MinSwap DEX, which will allow users to be able to provide liquidity through JED trading pools on MinSwap, enabling them to generate yield on their crypto assets in the DeFi market, while alleviating the potential adverse effect of market volatility and impermanent loss. So this is going to be pretty cool, guys. Basically what that means is that on MinSwap, you're going to have JED paired with other assets that you can provide liquidity to, and with MinSwap Zap feature. That's going to save you a lot on fees and a lot on impermanent loss. I'm not going to explain what impermanent loss is in this video. That's for another video, but yeah, pretty cool. And then finally, guys, we have some updates on the Coti infrastructure here. I'm going to go ahead and play this video, and then we'll go ahead and end the video, guys. I love y'all so much. Don't let your means be dreams. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with the Vechain and Cardano updates.
Product management team here at Coti. It's been a few weeks since we last spoke, so we wanted to offer you a tech update involving the multi-DAG 2.0. So, you know, since we last spoke, we basically were focusing on the release of the multi-DAG 2.0. I'm happy to update you that currently the backend developers finished their work, and in the development staging environment we named Foxnet. And basically this staging environment will allow us to take the new multi-DAG 2.0 and run it through its paces and test its scalability, performance, reliability, and also security. So this is for the back end. From the front end and user experience in user interface front, we're happy to update that the front end development team is the final stages of delivering the token forge application that will be within Viper, and that new application will allow to generate and mint new tokens. So our multi-DAC 2.0 efforts include also the release of Explore 2.0 and Breach 2.0. I'll start with Explore 2.0. So as you probably know, based on our previous videos about the multi-DAC 2.0, it will enable us to generate and mint new tokens. And obviously, Explore will need to provide information related to those new tokens, their circulating supply, their cap, and other parameters that those tokens have. In addition, we will allow you to search for particular transactions based on that particular token that you are looking for. Also, we are doing a complete redesign of the UI UX experience. And this new UI will offer a better performance, and it will be much more easier to go through the data that we have on the Trust chain. Bridge 2.0. So in Bridge 2.0, we completely redesigned the infrastructure to allow the bridge to be more scalable. It will offer us ability to create easier integrations with other chains. Additional, I think it's a game changer in terms of which we will allow you to monitor your swaps from network A to network B throughout the entire life cycle of the swap, basically until you reach confirmation. You will have transaction hashes on chain A, on chain B, so you will have a single location that you will be able to constantly monitor what is happening and what is the status of your swap. I think it's a big game changer, as the community was asking for this functionality, and I'm happy we will be able to deliver it. And of course, as you probably know, the multi-DAC 2.0 will allow us to generate and mint new tokens, so that means that we will also enable you to transfer those tokens to the networks that we're already working with. And additional thing, and it's even more important, it will allow us to import tokens from other networks. So that's a huge thing. And lastly, let's talk about Treasury. We already update you guys that we already released to production the new, let's say, enhancement to the Treasury. One is the liquidation price that is now visible when you open new deposits and you select a multiplier higher than 1. So we will have a clear understanding at which price the deposit may be liquidated as a result of Coti price fluctuation and the market fluctuation. In addition, we added an ID on the top of the deposit cards, which will enable you easily to communicate with our support team concerning a certain deposit that you wish to inquire about. So those are the two major enhancements that we released recently, around Treasury. So one additional thing that we are doing right now is we are working on the mobile app support, the iOS app and the Android app to allow you guys to create and monitor your deposits using our mobile apps. It's work that we are doing in parallel, along with everything else that we are doing simultaneously. So I'm currently not comfortable committing on a certain date, but just an update that we're hearing you guys and we are working on it, and we will hopefully be able to deliver it as soon as possible.
All right, guys. Well, I love y'all so much. Don't let your memes be dreams. I'll talk to you soon.